across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Hamburg, Leonardsville, and Wanamakers. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 29 and 38. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The tornado warning for North Central Berks and Northwestern State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bedford County and south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Fulton County and south central Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Inglesmith, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warfordsburg, Clearville, Barnes Gap, Inglesmith, and Locust Grove. This is...
What the? Well. And there goes the storm that took out 52. Epic fail.
Southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County, and southeastern Pennsylvania. 6:45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pike Creek near Newark, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penalties. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Westchester, Westtown, Downtown, Elgin, Square, Newcastle, Newport, Arden, Stanton, Cheney, North Star, Talleyville, Wilmington Manor, Elam, Marshallton, Lima, Pike Creek, and Chelsea. This includes Interstate 95 in Delaware, mile marker 6 and 18. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle on flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Pennsylvania, Chester, and Delaware, and Newcastle. The current time is 6:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Baltimore City, southwestern Baltimore County, Maryland until 6 p.m. At 6:08. Gusts and quarter-size hail.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downpours. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Pikesville, Twisson, Catonsville, Woodlawn, Randallstown, Parkville, Milford Mill, Locker, Meigs Chapel, Garrison, O'Halley, Ruston, Ryder, Brooklynville, Mackinac, and Stevenson. For your protection, move large winds and continuous clouds. Lightning is occurring with this storm. Indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, struck by repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Baltimore, Maryland, Independent City of Baltimore. interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Lycoming, Pennsylvania. Locations impacted include Thurmont, Emmitsburg, Sudlersville, Harney, Rocky Ridge, Detour, Kysville, Utica, Grayson, and Rosetown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Adams County in South Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Franklin County in South Central Pennsylvania until 8 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Carroll Valley, moving north at 35 miles per hour. At 7:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Carroll Valley, moving north. Radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chambersburg, Waynesboro, Gettysburg, Shippensburg, Gilbert, Wayne Heights, Mont Alto, Scotland, Lake Heritage, and Brownsville. This includes Interstate 81 to mile marker 17 to 25. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building at 25 miles per hour. 15 miles p.m. for the following counties: Adams and Franklin. Locations impacted include Chambersburg, Waynesboro, Gettysburg. Severe thunderstorm watch number 391 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Berks, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Harry, Schuylkill, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are 60 miles per hour in gusts. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Adams and Franklin.
We talked about a lot of great memories.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern York County in south central Pennsylvania until 8 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stewartstown, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. 70%. York, Stonyville, Millshire, West York, Shrewsbury, Tyler Run, and Queensgate, and Callan. This includes Interstate 23 for mile marker 0 to 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties: York, Pennsylvania. Locations impacted include York, Redland, Spry, Dallas, National York, Stony Brook. For your protection,
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeat. Bradley, Tyler, and Queensgate and Hallam. This includes Interstate 83 from mile marker 0 to 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Adams County and south central Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bonneville, moving north at 25 miles per hour. At 7:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm on the side hill. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hanover, Middletown, Hagerstown, Lake Mead, Bonneville, New Oxford, East Berlin, Lake Heritage, Abbottstown, York Springs, and Sudlersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Adams, Pennsylvania.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until
The National Weather
p.m. for the following county: Adams, Pennsylvania. Expect wind. Lake Mead, Bonneville, New Oxford.
A severe thunderstorm was witnessed.
Precautionary slash preparedness actions.
That's what it looks like out there.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, north central York County in south central Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cambridge, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
The
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
warning for the following
Locations
Pennsylvania
impacted
counties:
include Hershey,
Lancaster,
Colonial
and
Park,
York.
Whitehallstown, Elizabethtown,
Dauphin
Progress,
County,
Middletown,
Central
Palmyra,
Pennsylvania,
Lingostown,
northwestern Lancaster
Steelton,
County,
Huddletown,
in south
Axtonia, and Stony Brook.
southeastern Dauphin County, in south central Pennsylvania,
Turnpikes for mile markers 245 to 258. Interstate 81 for mile markers 70 to 81. Interstate 83 between mile markers 22 and 60.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Cambridge, moving north at 30 miles per hour.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a
Expect
building.
wind damage to roofs,
Repeating,
siding,
a severe
and trees.
thunderstorm warning has been
Damage
issued
to
until
vehicles
9
is
p.m. for the
expected.
following counties:
Expect
Dauphin,
wind damage to roofs,
Lancaster, and York.
siding, Progress, Middletown, Palmyra, Lingostown, Steelton, Huddletown, Paxtonia, and
The
Stony
National
Brook.
Weather Service in State
This includes implants.
thunderstorm warning in southeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania.
Precautionary slash preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. 96, that's 72, and 36, and from mile markers 45 to 50. Interstate 283 mile west floor of a building.
Precautionary slash preparedness actions. For your protection, move
to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Tell the manager of the Reds was, I'm not going to put a relief.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania until 9:45 p.m. At 8:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dehart Dam, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
The National
Source,
Weather Service
radar
in
indicated.
Pennsylvania has issued a severe
Impact,
thunderstorm
hail
warning
damage
for
to vehicles is
northeastern Dauphin
expected.
County in south central
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
8:55 p.m.
Locations impacted include Lycos, Elizabethville, Cleaverstown, Dehart Dam, Wiconisco, Grants, Harrisburg, Pillow, and Enders. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following county: Dauphin, Pennsylvania.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has
The
been
National Weather Service in
issued
State
5
College,
p.m. for the following county: Dauphin, Pennsylvania. Dauphin, Pennsylvania.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 10 p.m. At 9:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Burnville, or 8 miles northwest of Reading, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Wyomissing, Kutztown, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Sinking Spring, Laureldale, Wintersville, Topton, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Burnville, Lyons, Leonardsville, Fairview Heights, Spring Ridge, Centerport, Wyomissing Hills, Westlawn, and Whitfield. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 24 and 43. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Vehicles possible. Damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. This includes Wilmington, Newark, Pennsville, Carnegie, Newcastle, Delaware City, Newport, North Star, Delaware Memorial. This includes Delaware between mile marker 0 and 23. For your interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Remember, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware.
Guarantee a million sales for the level up. You don't believe in how the world needs to double up. We don't play around, it's your bet, lay it down. Niggas didn't know me 91, bet they know me now. I'm the young Harlem.
Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania until 10:15 p.m. At 9:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rebuck, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sunbury, Danville, Northumberland, Riverside, Trevorton, Shamokin Dam, Fort Trevorton, Rebuck, Leadkill, Urban, Stonington, and Snydertown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Northumberland, Pennsylvania. Thunderstorm warning. Central Chester County in southeast Pennsylvania. At 9:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over West Road, or 8 miles north of Newark, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Westchester, Sudlersville, Westtown, Downingtown, Kennett Square, West Road, Cockerville, Marshalltown, Leonville-Markwood, Valley Forge, Landenberg, Howley, Chester Springs, Leonville, Kimberlyville, Hockenton, West Goshen, Spring City, and Malvern. This includes Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 311 and 325. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. In addition to hail and damaging wind, frequent cloudy ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties: Pennsylvania. Here is the National Weather Service forecast for Upper Delaware Bay. Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Canton County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 11:15 p.m. At 10:31 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms were located from northern Newcastle County, Delaware northeastward into Philadelphia, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Northern Newcastle County, Delaware. Possible. Locations of tactics include Philadelphia, Canton, Wilmington, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Salem, Mount Laurel, Chester, Willingboro, Deptford, West Deptford, Lindenwold, Pennsville, Lumberton, Florence, Belmore, Devon, Woodbury, Burlington, and Bristol. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 1 and 6A, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 332 and 359, Northeast Extension near mile marker 21, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 40, Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 10 and 23, Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 330 and 351, Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 55, Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Flood warning in effect from this evening to late tonight. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Christina River at Coot Bridge. When? From this evening to late tonight. Impacts at 9.0 feet. Flooding begins in fields and floodplain adjacent to the river. At 11.0 feet, flooding begins in the town of Christiana. East of Main Street, Del 7 begins to flood, as does Water Street. Meadow Road near Newcastle Airport is subject to flooding. Parksdale Road near Cashel Road is also subject to flooding at our residential backyards. At 11.5 feet, portions of Durham Heights near Newcastle Airport begin to flood, including Don Avenue. Airport Road at the Newcastle Airport begins to flood as the Christina River backs up the Sunset Street. Walford Road in the Bear area also floods. Flooding also occurs around the Smalley Pond Dam in Christiana. At 12.0 feet, significant flooding occurs on Meadow Road in Christiana. Roads are closed. Homes are flooded. Salem Church Road and Graybull Road floods in Christiana also flood and are subject to closures. Residential backyards can flood in this area. Flooding also occurs inward on West Chestnut Road and South College Avenue. At 12.5 feet, evacuations are possible in Durham Heights. Airport Road at the Newcastle Airport floods is closed. Businesses are flooded. Flooding increases in Newark. Flooding also increases on Barksdale Road and can extend onto Cashel Mill Road. Businesses on South College Avenue take on water. Additional details at 10:30 p.m. Monday, the stage was 8 to 7 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 11.9 feet just after midnight tonight. Will then fall below flood stage late tonight. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to the previous crest of 11. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe